Hey guys! Welcome to VidiKit channel. Today, in this video, I'll teach you how to record and download video from Udemy. First solution, download video from Udemy. You should note that this tip will take you a lot of time and you should get instructor's permission in advance. Open Udemy website and get your video on Udemy ready. Then you can find the gear icon at the right bottom corner. Click it to open up the menu. Now, scroll down in the drop-up list to find the download lecture button and click it to begin the downloading process. Right-press your mouse and select Save Video As. Option. Recoding your Udemy online class can also help you save video from Udemy to your computer. Download and run Joyoshare VidiKit, a 4K classes and lectures recording tool on your computer. Select Record and choose Screen Recorder. Confirm record video and audio mode so that you can capture screen and sound at the same time and customize the system audio. Click the Options button to reset recording settings. Here, you can change storage location and output video format. Also, it allows you to specify codec, quality, resolution according to your intention. You are able to set watermark, create recording task, highlight cursor as you want. Click the rectangle button to customize the recording area. After confirming your recording area, get the Udemy lectures that you want to record ready and start recording. After recording, it also allows you to edit and rename your recordings. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and smash that like button. I'll see you next time.